Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll walk you through how to activate and configure the email add-on, enabling you to send emails directly from any record and run email campaigns right inside your Office 24 by 7 panel. The email add-on lets you send emails directly from any record that contains an email field, such as leads, deals, or contacts. It's also used to run email campaigns to reach multiple recipients efficiently. Let's look at how to activate and set it up. Go to Add-ons menu. Here you'll see the list of available add-ons in your Office 24 by 7 account. Click on Email Add-on to open the Configuration overlay. You'll find 3 tabs: Settings, Email IDs, and Templates. Under Settings, you can view the pricing details for email credits and usage information, so you can manage your communication cost effectively. Next, switch to the Email IDs tab. This is where you configure the email addresses through which your outgoing emails will be sent. Click Add to open the Email ID Setup overlay. Here's what each field means. From Email ID, enter the sender email address, for example, support@office24by7.com. CC and BCC, add any email addresses you want to receive a copy of every sent message. Reply to, this is mandatory. Specify the email address where replies should be received, either the same from address or a different one. Click Submit to save the configuration. The new email ID now appears in the list. You can edit or delete any existing email ID whenever needed. Office 24 by 7 also includes user privileges to select the users to whom the email ID access to be given, which is allowing you to restrict specific email IDs to certain users. This helps prevent misuse and keeps your email sending compliant and secure. Now, let's move to the Templates tab. Here, you can create reusable email templates to send personalized messages directly from any record, without composing a new email each time. Click Add to open the template creation overlay. Enter the following details. Subject, for example, Welcome Onboard. Description, welcome email to send to the lead when a new lead is created. Template name, Welcome Template. Object, select where you want to use this template. For example, leads. Fields, choose fields such as first name, need summary, and lead status to personalize the email. Click Submit to create the template. You can also edit or delete templates at any time if updates are required or no longer needed the template. Once everything is configured, you're ready to use the templates. Go to the Leads panel, open any lead record, and click on the Activity arrow email option. Click on Add Activity. You'll now see the configured email IDs and templates on Sender Email ID and select templates available for quick selection. Simply choose your preferred email ID. That is support@office24by7.com and template that is Welcome Template. Click Submit and your personalized email is delivered instantly. For a detailed walkthrough on sending emails from a record, check out the YouTube video linked in the description below. That's it! You've successfully activated and configured the email add-on in Office 24 by 7. With this setup, your team can send one-to-one or bulk emails directly from the CRM, quickly, securely, and with full personalization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more automation tutorials on our channel.